So right now I'm going to show a little Lego Christmas present I put together. Put this in one of the trains that I had. So this is the sides of it. Take it apart so you can see inside. So on the bottom I just had two plates, a 3x2 and a 1x3. Top. In the corners I just have the 1x1 colors, 3x1, and then a couple of 1x1s. And that's how it went across, just like that. And I actually used for this color, I used the top of the Hello Kitty because it was a 3. If not, you can always just use a 2x1 and then a 1x1. So then this is the same, just on the top. Same as that, just on the top. So we'll take this off. And we'll just set this back on here. And that's the top, is the same thing. So I'm at the very top. I have the 1x going all the way across, right up on top. And then I have angles underneath in the middle. I had a couple different ones, but I just went for a 1x square plate with a rounded top, just like that. And so if you can put one of these together, you can put them in all kinds of colors, variations, and have a pretty good diversified little set of different types of Christmas presents you can put together.